Alright, thanks for checking out our Toyota Prado GXL with a luxury pack. This one here has got the projector headlights, washer jets as well, genuine bonnet protector, and you can see it's got the white pearl paintwork. Alloy wheels all round. You've got the side steps, window tint, and being that it's got the leather pack, you've got full electric passenger seat, heated and cooled front seats as well, genuine carpet mats. Into the back, you also get heated rear seats, and coming through into the back, you get your third row seating as well. Tri-zone aircon, satellite navigation as well, and coming around to the back, it does have a tow bar fitted as well. Paintwork's in excellent condition. You can split fold the rear seats as well. Coming down through the side, really straight and clean, and has been a one-owner vehicle. Coming through inside, you do get auto high beams. This one's travelled 35,000 Ks, is the current spec. So you do get leather features through the dash. You've got parking sensors, reverse camera. You've got your heated and cooled seats, keyless entry, keyless start, and that much clearer display. We look forward to speaking to you soon.